it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, America's Gamer here with another reaction. Today, guys, we're here with a promotion. Promotion from Splosion and Bluetooth. I hope I'm getting that right. Splosion X Bluetooth. So I'm guessing that's Splosion and Bluetooth with a song called Wind Up On Me. It's a music video actually. Someone send a shout out to Delhi aka Yankee 1 Yard Music. 1 Yard Music link up and say, yo bro. Say alright then, no problem. Here we go. So we're gonna jump in the one here and give me honest reaction to the one here. Obviously, don't know say I'm gonna listen to it. So I listen to it for the first time. So let's go. Good shot. Good shot. Hold on. I think I'm on the wrong. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. Sorry to interrupt your video. Today again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that, and you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist. Same way, you can do that same way by linking up. You see me? Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram. You see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that. You see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video. Wrong sound settings. I need to get back to my sound settings. All right.
Another day, another dollar. Oh,
another day, another dollar. Hold on, let me try and change the quality of this. Why the quality can't change? Not even to 720p. So the one so the highest quality on this are 480p. That is less than 720p. That is very poor quality. Alright, let's go anyway. Let's go.
Another dollar. Oh,
Y'all cute.
That is it. With the ladies. 1 year.
Dally them out.
From me stepping at the party, Missy said the girl them love her fish swag. Just
about stepping in the girl and just dry way. I wish that video quality I could bother me. Yankee, that video quality I could bother me. And I hope the next video we wanna do it properly and export it in a proper resolution, cause video like this needs to be clean, bro. The audio sound good, but the video needs to be clean cause I wanna show the video to you. See me? Yeah. You can't see the quality of the video like how me can. Look.
1 year. From me stepping at the party, Missy said the girl them love her fish swag. Just come here, pretty shorty. Let me give you the best time of your life. Just come wind up for me, girl. Just wind up for me, girl. Just.
Yeah, let me wind up like window. Hold on, man. Let me see if I can narrow this down a little bit so the quality can get more better, so I can see what I look for.
Make you the best time of your life. Just come wind up for me, girl. Just wind up for me, girl. Just wind up for me, girl. Just wind up for me. Hey, she just a tick so to the beat so bend her over for the cocky have a stick so.
A folk song, you know? A folk song, you know, guys? Yeah, fucking I go on to that song, yeah. Wind up, yeah, like window. Mom's a look good though, like mom's say.
With the ladies. 1 year. From me stepping at the party, Missy said the girl them love her fish swag. Just come here, pretty shorty. Let me give you the best time of your life. Just come wind up for me, girl. Just wind up for me, girl. Just wind up for me, girl. Just.
It catchy. It has me a sing already. It catchy.
Girl, just wind up for me, girl. Just wind up for me, girl. Just wind up for me. Hey, she just a tick so to the beat so bend her over for the cocky have a stick so. Where the high grade, feel the meds no make you feel like you ride a cocky you go Belgium. But when me
make you feel like you ride a cocky go Belgium, is it?
Where the high grade. Feel the meds no make you feel like you ride a cocky you go Belgium. But when me read
ride a cocky from yard go Europe, blood clot Belgium, you there.
The high grade. feel the meds no, make you feel like you rather cocky go Belgium. But when me reach pan cloud 9, me see a TV, what's your showtime? Just
man, so when you reach pan cloud 9, you see a TV, we say showtime.
jump, but when me reach pan cloud 9, me see a TV, what's your showtime? Just make it watch some OI. Why the cocky I beat your turbine?
Voilà.
Belgium, but when me reach pan cloud 9, me see a TV, what's your showtime?
Showtime,
just
yeah.
Make it watch some OI. Why the cocky I beat your turbine? From me stepping at the party, me see said the girl them love off his swag.
Yeah.
Just come here, pretty shorty, me give you the best time of your life. Just come wind up from me, girl. Just wind up from me, girl. Just wind up from me, girl. Just wind up from me. Taxo, spin like the taxo.
So I was right. So it is Splosion and Bluetooth. By the way, that name there, I like the name there, Splosion. Him take out like explosion, Splosion. Yeah, I like the name there. Unique.
Just wind up from me.
Wind up on that.
Taxo, spin like the taxo. A long time, the killer did a watch you. Oh, you want at so, and the pussy fat too. No time at all, girl, man, afraid to ask you.
No time at all, I'm not afraid to ask you, mama. Pussy fat in her clothes. Putty fat in her clothes. I mean, not tell you put it back. Come give me some of that. No.
Taxo, spin like the taxo. Yeah. A long time, the killer did a watch you.
Long time.
You want at so, and the pussy fat too. No time at all, girl, man, afraid to ask you. You enrich me like a flavored Lasco in the
Website, you know?
no time at all, girl, man, afraid to ask you. You enrich me like a flavored Lasco.
You enrich me like a flavored Lasco. Blood clot.
No time at all, girl, man, afraid to ask you. You enrich me like a flavored Lasco. Independent, you know, shop down a Basco.
Girl, you're independent, girl. You're not shopping down a Basco. Big up the Basco people, them shop down a people. You know, you have to buy where you can buy. But mama, remember, see, you're not shop a Basco. Remember, you're Dolly. You
enrich me like a flavored Lasco. Independent, you know, shop down a Basco. Famous like the company Gastro. Yo, Splosion. Oh, down a Basco. Famous like the company Gastro. Yo, Splosion. Oh, the song. From me stepping at the party, me see said the girl them love off his swag.
Yeah, this catchy,
just come here, pretty shorty, me give you the best time of your life. Just come wind up from me, girl. Just wind up from me, girl. Just wind up from me, girl. Just wind up from me. Hey, she just a tick so to the beat so bend her over for the cocky about stick so with the high grade. See the meds no, make you feel like you rather cocky, I got Belgium. But when we reach pan cloud 9, me see a TV, what's your showtime? Just make me watch some OI. Why the cocky, I beat your turbine. From me stepping at the party, me see said the girl them love off his swag. Just come here, pretty shorty, me give you the best time of your life. Just come wind up from me, girl. Just wind up from me, girl. Just wind up.
Y'all might wind up like a window out there.
Just wind up from me. Yeah.
Yo, where the video shoot the Yankee? I want to circle around there, see me sitting on them girl around there. Old boy enjoy himself, you know. Blood clot and drop him. You're dead now. Another dollar. Big up Splosion. Big up Bluetooth. Yo, what the video shoot, dog? What the video shoot? Cause I want to circle around there if you see me sitting on them girl around there now. I tell you, I swear. Yankee, big up yourself. 1 Yard Music, big up yourself, big up yourself, big up yourself. I like the song. I actually like the song. I do like the song. My problem is with the video though. The video quality should not be at least. When it uploads on YouTube, it should at least be at 720, at least. Where you want your video to be is at 1080. The video clean, this like a Jesus Police record. Clean like a done split the book in high school. But this, cause me have a 34-inch monitor right here in front of me. And when we expand it, it's like everything look. The quality is not there because the highest it go is a 480. You see me? The highest it go is a 480. Nothing else. So I would have loved to be reacting to it at 720 at least. You see me? But there's always room for improvement. The video bad though. The girl in there when I like window like me say. You see me? Two artists them come out them do them thing. And it's a very catchy song. Right now, it in my head. Wine up on me, girl. It in my head, you see me? It's quite refreshing for see the man sing a girl song with no gun in the eye, them not bad up the girl them are them not tell the girl them to come do this and do that. And, you see me? Girl them just a wind up them and enjoy themselves. You know? Yeah, so it's quite refreshing to see that. So big up yourself, two artists, them, Bluetooth and Splosion, big up yourself. One yard music, big up yourself. Yeah. This time I'm gonna leave on a still. You don't know a thing, go. See you in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And it's a rip connect.